Here's how to make money with a side gig and how long it will take to see the extra income. How to make money online. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check translation sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge. Learn how to get started on Upwork. A recent report from freelancer.com found that computer security jobs had the fastest growth in listings on its site in the second quarter of 2024, up 27.1%. Jobs involving writing skills are also in high demand. And although generative artificial intelligence AI is being used more for content creation, it can't fully do the work of human writers. Companies are looking for writers who know how to edit our content and who have at least a basic understanding of search engine optimization. Learning or beefing up SEO skills could be a lucrative side hustle. Some freelancers are charging $100 an hour or more for their freelance writing services. Total time, it can take a while to get your first gig. Setup, 24 minus 48 hours. How easy to start? Easy if you have the expertise. Age threshold, typically 16 to 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid varies by site.
Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Total time. Approval time can vary. Setup. Less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy, if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age threshold. 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? 14 days. Need to know, you need to complete a sample test as part of the application process. You will start receiving testing opportunities after your application is approved. The timeline for approval can vary. Payment amounts vary based on the length of the tests. You get paid 14 days after completing a website or app test via PayPal. Requirements: you need to be at least 18. You need a computer, internet connection, and microphone. Mobile app testers also need an Android or iOS mobile phone or tablet. The practice test and most user testing requires English, German, or French. Some test opportunities may be in additional languages. Learn to use AI tools. The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. Research from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030, thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products or to edit AI content for a client. Improving your advertising, marketing efforts, and management of your existing small business. Teaching others to use AI tools. Total time depends on demand. Setup. Around 24 to 48 hours if using a site like Upwork or freelancer.com. How easy to start? If you're already familiar with AI tools, it will be easier to get started. Age threshold: 16 for freelancer.com and 18 for Upwork. How fast you'll get paid varies by client or the number of products you sell and your chosen platform. Need to know: give yourself time to get familiar with using AI tools. You'll need to meet the requirements of the freelance gig site you choose. Payment will depend on your client and the site's terms and conditions. Requirements: you'll need a computer, internet connection, and microphone.
Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way, particularly those who do affiliate marketing full-time. You can use social media or a platform like Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. Total time. It can take quite a while to build an audience. Setup. With blog templates, building a site is easy. How easy to start? While getting started can be easy, creating regular content may be another matter. Age threshold. Any. How fast you'll get paid? A month or two, on average. Need to know first, you need a blog, social media account or other online presence that draws a healthy number of visitors each month. Then, you need to apply for it and be approved by an affiliate marketing network like CJ Affiliate, ShareSale, Flexifers, Rakuten Advertising or Amazon Associates. Payment schedules and thresholds vary by affiliate network, but expect to wait at least a month or two for your first paycheck. Amazon Associates pays out earnings 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which they were earned. ShareSale disperses earnings monthly. Sell your photograph. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. Total time. Buyers need to find you and like your work. Setup. Just a few hours. How easy to start? If you have a library of photos, you're on the way. Age threshold. Varies. How fast you'll get paid? Depends on your sales platform. Need to know you can set up a profile with sites like SmugMug, PhotoShelter or Fine Art America in a few hours, assuming you have a body of original work. Payment varies widely depending on the site. Fine Art America. Payment issued after 30-day return window expires. Send on the 15th of each month. PhotoShelter. Payment issued at time of sale to your chosen payment method, PayPal, Stripe, etc. SmugMug. You can request payment be issued the following month if you have a balance of at least $5. Requirements frequentism vary by site, but you need to have all necessary rights to the images you sell. Gift cards. Make extra money by selling unused or partially used gift cards on a site like Card Cash or Gift Cash. Card Cash notes it will pay you up to 92% of the card's value, or you can trade in your card for one you'll use. Read more about what to do with unwanted gift cards. Total time. In minutes if your gift card is for a popular store. Setup. Easy. How easy to start? The more gift cards you have to sell, the better. Age threshold. 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? A few days to about 2 weeks. Need to know you can get an instant offer or quote via sites like Card Cash and Gift Cash. You can sell gift cards at kiosks and participating retail locations to get cash the same day, or try to sell it online. The latter takes longer, but you may get a better offer for your gift card. Requirements. Your gift card may need to meet a minimum balance to be resold. Not all cards will generate offers. Gift cards with expiration dates may not be eligible. Sign up for TaskRabbit if you actually enjoy putting together IKEA furniture or standing in long lines. You may be cut out for doing tasks for others. Websites like TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need help with a variety of things, such as moving, cleaning, delivery, and handyman services. The site also offers several virtual and online tasks, such as helping with a research project or data entry. Read about how to get started on TaskRabbit. Total time. Local demand for your skills will determine the time you spend. Setup: a couple of hours, then some time for approval. How easy to start? Easy, though you'll need to do some research. Age threshold: 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? A few days after a job. Need to know you can set up your profile and register in a matter of hours, but can't start accepting tasks until your profile is approved by TaskRabbit. This may take a few days. Once approved, you need to pay a $25 fee, so you may first want to research your market and the value of your skills to determine if that fee is worth it to you. You're paid after the task is completed through direct deposit to a checking account. Payment typically takes a few days to appear in your account. Requirements: you need to be at least 18 to start working with TaskRabbit. Prospective taskers must also pass a background check.